My contest entry is a chemical battery powered by human sweat. A magnesium ribbon on one side, carbon rods on another side. Keeping with the shortlist rules, I'm using old C-cell batteries I found in the woods. The woods used to be a dump for 100 years. These are like what they sold in the 70s. And you can remove the acid and end up with these carbon rods. The other side of the electrode is going to be magnesium, which I purchased for another project. So this isn't really reusing what I found. It is a purchased thing, so that doesn't stick with the rules very much. But, the magnesium ribbon will make a nice electrode for the other side. Since the current is going to be low from this necklace, I'm using one of my jewel thieves. This one's an air core, and it doesn't run at 0.1 volts, this mostly dead battery. It's in shot here. It does run at 0.7 volts. I didn't have any intermediate voltages, so I don't know how low it'll run at. And hopefully you can see that. To join the necklace together, I twist some yucca leaves into cordage. This will insulate the one side of the necklace where the anode and cathode come together. I used hot glue to help keep the electrical connections together. I got this cracker box because it's too bright out here to see the LED. Cracker box will make some shade, and hopefully when it's working you should be able to see it. Right now it should be off, and I'll carry some firewood. That should make me nice and sweaty. I ran out of firewood to carry. I usually get more soaking wet than this in this amount of time. I caught the last warm day of the fall, so it's not going to be much warmer than this. Let's see if that's enough to light up the LED. I can see a little bit of glowing. Let's see if you can make it out. Here's I can see it. I don't know if this helps you see it. I'm very disappointed it didn't light more strongly. To demonstrate, this is groundwater with high amounts of calcium carbonate in it. As I lower it in, where's the LED? There we go. You can see it lights in the calcium carbonate water. And I bring it out. It dies off. Still some residual. Oh, it's a reflection. And then if I put it in the rainwater, you'll see that the fresher water does not light it. So all the way in there, and does not light. Put it back over here real quick. Very disappointed. My sweat, salty sweat, didn't light it up.